Guys, welcome back to the Honest Motherhood. I hope you all are doing good and also your kids are doing great. So today we came to Jaden's school for the first PTM ever. And my baby was thinking that actually we are gonna leave him in the school and he started crying. So just got him here so he can play some games. And we're done with meeting the class teacher and they told he's really a good boy, he listens and he does everything what he's supposed to do. So that is really a good thing. And Jaden now he's enjoying. Show me your tattoo. Show me your tattoo. Wow. Show me. Show me baby your tattoo. Show. Come on. Let's see what is it. So he got this tattoo, cute tattoo, baby shark. Let's go home. Okay, let's go home. Get up. Done. So yes guys, we are done with the PTM and we are going back home. Here's the file. I'll get in touch with you guys again. Why are you crying? Is it because you did not go to school or is it because you are going home? What is it for? I told you right, we are done, we are going back home. There's nothing. You're not going to school today. I know it's your holiday today. You're not going to school, okay? Relax, okay? Are you white, Anush?
सगळे मग एवढं एन्जॉय करते
Lucky.
स्कूल
I
very
saw.
nicely only because you start
She became red. Eyes became red. Lips became red. You only want to roam out, huh? You don't want to go to school. What ma'am told? Jaden is a very good boy. Yes, very good boy. Show your outfit. What you wearing? Wow, nice shoes, the jeans, the shirt, and Jaden. And Jaden threw the cap. Where is the cap? Where did you throw the cap? Yeah, where did you throw the cap? I'll show where you threw the cap, okay? Where did you throw the cap? Yes, why? Why did you? What is that? White toy cap. Why did you throw the cap? Yes, why? No cap. I think the ant took the cap, right?
बरोबर तिथं
Yes, it's near the ant's house. Now who's gonna get that? Jaden will get that, right? Now we'll go and get it, okay?
पडलं तर
Look at the cap, guys. Where he has thrown the cap. This guy.
इथं बस तू वरतीस चढतीस काय
I have to go down now.
ನೋಡು ಅವ್ನು ಬಿಸಾಕಿರೋದು ಪಾಪ ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮ ಹೋಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಏನೇನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿರಿ ಅಂಕಲ್ ಕಣ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೂ ತ್ರೀ ಸ್ನೇಕ್ಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಮ್
Hi guys, we're eating watermelon. As you guys can see outside, it's so hot in Bangalore. So we are still getting watermelons here. And Jaden, he loves watermelon. Yes? You love watermelon? Yes. Wow. See, that's red. Wait, I'll give you, baby. Show me your plate. Yummy watermelon. Nice. Soft. Nice. Nice, baby? You like it? Oh, oh no. It's okay, little one. You eat from them. Nice. I couldn't drink tea before leaving to school. It got late. As I told you guys that Fridays I prefer watching some movie and then wake up late on Saturdays. But it's not like I watched a movie or something. It's just that I was busy editing my videos for Instagram, YouTube, and all. So I did not even get time to watch movie. But still, I ended up sleeping late, and morning also I woke up late. I'm late as in like 8:30. I woke up, and then wake up, get ready, make Jaren ready, and all that. I ate breakfast, but tea I want to sit peacefully and drink, and that's it. So I thought, okay, we'll come back and drink tea. So that's what I'm drinking the tea now.
What is that?
What is that? That is breeze.
Fish.
Why are you so worried, yeah? Everything you want to do, what is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that?
Wait, the camera is working. No, shoot me.
He actually told, oh shit, what is that? Oh my god.
What about it?
Yes.
What about?
Watermelon.
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy. I didn't eat that. See, guys, he's taking from here now. Okay, take from here if you want. Right? And baby, it will be much more easier for you. Oh god. He wants to pluck from this and eat. Fine. I'll keep it here. You take it. Take. He wants to remove the watermelon by himself and then he wants to eat. Oh, these kids are extraordinary, guys. They don't want us to help them. They want to do all the things by themselves. It's okay. I mean, yes, it's a good thing, I would say, because they learn things really quick. My toddler, he does things that, which takes like a lot of time for kids to learn or to do. But he does by himself. So that is really a good thing. Even now, I gave him watermelon the plate, but still he is insisting that he wants to take it from inside of this watermelon by himself. So it's okay. I mean, he wants to do the things by himself, so that is really nice. Yes, baby?
I said baby.
Yes, she will. Wow, he's enjoying watermelon. I'm damn sure it is good. Because if it's not, he will definitely not eat. So always, moms and dads, if you're trying to buy watermelon, I'll show you guys like what kind of watermelon will be good. You see this yellow mark over here? So this yellow mark should be there on the watermelon. So if I keep it like this, it will be much more easy for us. Guys, see this yellow mark over here? So this is what is supposed to be on the watermelon. If you see this, then the watermelon is good. I always check and I buy. If there is a big spot of yellow color over there, that means the watermelon is good. So that's the trick of watermelon. Baby, dirty? Your hand is becoming dirty. Okay, you're done eating?